Hi friends, welcome to the show Meet My Teacher. Today we have Mrs. Aisha Sheikh with us, who is a dedicated and passionate teacher. Mrs. Aisha Sheikh is working with Gems Millennium School, Sharjah. She is a science teacher and she is very cheerful, charming and hardworking teacher. Welcome to the show, Aisha.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Those words definitely define me the best, and I'm really grateful to be with you and to be in this show.
Thank you very much. So, Mrs. Aisha is a teacher by choice or by chance?
Aisha is a teacher definitely by choice because I'm doing something that I love, and I feel that when you do something or when you take up something as a profession which is actually your passion, then your job is not a job anymore. It's like, you are going to a place where you're enjoying and you're getting paid for it and you're coming back home.
So, it's like more fun
It's like
than work.
more fun for me. I love being surrounded with children and their smiles, their cute little hugs, their sweet little cards, their wishing you good morning in the morning, and their meeting you is, just gives me immense pleasure.
Yeah, that's true because I also always remember the kids saying good morning ma'am in the morning, and that really like brighten our days.
Exactly.
Yes.
No matter what amount of stress you have, but as soon as you step into school, it's like all is gone and you are into another world, and it just gives me a lot of pleasure.
Oh, that's really so nice to know that you are enjoying your profession. So Aisha, we would like to know about your early childhood, your education, your college and other informations about education.
Yeah, my schooling has been from Lamatnia Girls College in Lucknow, and I have completed my graduation and my B.Ed from the University of Lucknow. And here I would like to mention one thing that I hope this will be like a great inspiration for everyone, because I got married at a very early age, and it was not planned or anything, but just it was, like we say that Allah had to do something and He did it.
So you were graduate at that time or before
No, ma'am.
that?
I was in my first year of
Okay.
BSc when I got married. I was 19 years at that time. But after that, after my marriage, I completed my graduation. I did my B.Ed, and now I'm working here as a teacher. So definitely my husband has been very supportive in this. So I'm really lucky for that. And also I would like to say that marriage is not something that will stop you. In fact, when you have a partner, he will always motivate you in the right direction.
So I should meet your husband because he is such an inspiration for all other husbands who
Exactly,
think
ma'am.
that after marriage the education discontinues.
Right.
So Aisha, your husband is a great support for you, and that's really nice to know. Now tell me that who is your inspiration that today you are a teacher, no other profession you have chosen.
I would say for my inspiration, I think my dad. My father is my biggest inspiration because he's a doctor and he's a medical professor also. He's a teacher, so he teaches medical students. So the love which his students show to him, whenever I see that, I'm like flown away by that, because the way they respect him is just commendable. So I also want to become a teacher who will, after my children, my students, they pass out from college, from school, they should remember that yes, Aisha ma'am was the teacher whom we remember, and she was like so good, she was so cheerful, and she was the best.
So today Aisha is able to earn and that respect, that love, what you were seeing in your father.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, I feel that the way my students, they meet me, they greet me, and small gestures of love. Yes, definitely, I feel that I am moving. Definitely, I haven't, because it's just the start of my journey. but I am moving towards that.
So, you know, one thing which I like in you, Aisha, that the moment you are talking about yourself, you are talking about your profession, your students, your teaching job, you are like so excited and happy. That shows really that you are very much satisfied with your profession, and it's really very commendable for any teacher that she is really enjoying the job. So, now tell me, why only James Millennium, no other school?
Um, Gems Millennium is a school. I feel it is home for me, and my happiness lies there. As I told you earlier, the moment I step into school, I'm into another different world. I forget all my worries, my problems, my tension, my stress. It's just that
Do you have really?
yes, now of course
Okay.
everybody has. I mean, life is something
Yes.
which is related to problems and stress and tension. Everybody has it, but how we take it, that is more important. I cannot sit and grumble about stress and problems. We have to be happy about it.
How we react to the challenges of life.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So when I'm in school, I'm in a different world. It's like it's a fiction world for me, like something magical. So I feel really happy, and my principal, Miss Teresa Verman, she is also a great source of motivation and inspiration for all the teachers there. So yeah, it's really enjoyable, and that's like how I said earlier, that I'm getting paid for what I love to do. So
I
that's
must
the best.
congratulate the management of James Millennium, when they are able to keep their teachers at this level. You are so elevated, you are so happy and satisfied. Really, the management should be congratulated upon for this. So, Aisha, now my question is that you have already expressed your happiness and joy over your profession. So, now please tell me that whether you love your children more or your children love you more.
Ma'am, I think it's both ways, give and take relationship. The more love you show to them, it will definitely come back from them. So I feel yes, the more affection and love we show to the children, the same comes back from them. Same
Oh.
love and respect comes back. from
That's
them.
really so lovely. So, Aisha, what's the reason why most of our new generation, they are not attracted towards the teaching profession? What do you think? What's the reason for this?
Um, Ma'am, honestly, if I say, it is definitely an exhausting task, and I don't know if it is correct to say or not, but yeah, it is not a highly paid profession where you just work for hours and you earn like thousands of dirhams in terms of money, if I say. But I think that is one of the factors which I feel that people want to make more money with within less amount of time, and by less amount of work, I can say. But I feel that the amount of pleasure and
Happiness,
satisfaction
yes.
it gives you, it's just to another level which no other profession can give.
And this is the real thing which we need in our life, because money can't buy our happiness and satisfaction. And as far as the payment is concerned or the salary is concerned, now I think the salary is at par with many more professions, not all the professions but many more. I think this job is very stressful.
Very, very.
It requires lots of dedication, lots of hard work, and lots of physical strength as well, because throughout the day you have to stand on your feet, and then you have to teach the children, and then at night you have to prepare for the next day.
Exactly.
So maybe this is one of the reasons that why the people are not very attractive. But I am very happy that I have been associated with this profession for last 26 years, and I always motivate the young generation to come to this profession and enjoy and feel the difference.
Exactly.
So Aisha, what you have to say to the teachers who are watching this program, that how our teachers have to keep themselves happy and how they have to be cheerful throughout the day as you are?
I would just like to say that this is a profession that can give you a lot of happiness, and definitely there is stress in every profession. There is hard work. Without hard work, I don't think so you can survive in any profession. But it's being around the children, loving them, loving your work, and doing everything passionately. I think that will bring out the best in everyone.
Okay, so you want to say to our teachers community that they should always enjoy their work.
Exactly.
Yes, and they should feel that how happy and how fortunate they are. Okay, so what is the role of skill development in teaching profession?
Skill development, definitely it is very important, because when our children are going to school, they are not only going for education, they're not only going there to learn things, because nowadays, I mean, nothing is bigger than Google. You can Google out everything and you get the answers for everything. But the children are going to school because they need to know about personality development. We teachers are there for their grooming, for their upbringing of their personality and making them into better individuals. So I feel that it is more of that rather than just a teaching profession.
Okay, thank you very much, Aisha, for being with us. It was really nice talking to you, and you have given so many insights into teaching profession, and especially when you have advised our teachers to enjoy their job. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. It was my pleasure being with you. Thank you so much.
So hi friends, that's all for today. She was Mrs. Aisha Sheikh from Gems Millennium School, and she was expressing her happiness, joy and satisfaction over her teaching job, and she advises all of us that let's enjoy our teaching profession and see the difference. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.